Welcome to Harvest Point Farms. We want to go pull carrots. This is what we're up against. Can you see that? The rain pouring off the house. So, we have our rain gear on. We'll see how it goes. That's your choice of footwear.
Yeah.
Maybe I should do something different. Okay, here we go. We need to get the wheelbarrow. Tis the season for rain. It's the time of year where you decide that you just have to put your rain gear on and go because it just doesn't stop raining. So this is where we're at. Okay, here we are at the carrot bed. We picked a little bit. I always laugh when I start to film and it's just solid green. Like unless I get close, you can't even tell. Matt just pointed out that the the pumpkins have taken over this strawberry bed. They're just vining out everywhere. It's a little bit of a problem. Good problem. So here we go. Carrot picking time. Aww. Two carrots that love each other. These are weird. I wonder why they grew that way. I know I have a lot that haven't. I've just been abandoned. He has decided that he's gonna mow all of that where the garlic was. We did get the garlic pulled, by the way. It is all pulled, but he decided he's gonna mow that in the rain. So I will be pulling carrots on my own. This one looks like a really good one. Look at that. Lovely. I'm actually just looking for the bigger ones. I'm not gonna pull all of these today. I just want the biggest ones, I think. Yeah. And then the others can wait for a little bit. Oh. Look how big these are. Some of those are huge. Okay, I think this is all I'm gonna get right now. I mean, that's actually quite a lot, but I also noticed that I have a whole bunch of zucchini that needs to be harvested as well. Our potato plants are dead, and so that means it's time to harvest those, but I can leave them in for a little while still. Obviously, I can leave them in for a little while and they'll be fine. So, rain, rain, rain. I think you could probably see it even. He just circled around. I'm not sure why. And I'm getting humongous zucchini here. If you have any suggestions on how to use zucchini, pop it in the comments. I'm soaked. Not quite sure how well this rain jacket works. You could hear the rain here in the greenhouse. Matt is out mowing, and I think I'm going to sneak back into the house with what I've picked already. Sneaking away. I think it's time for a new rain jacket. Okay, so this is how many carrots that we just pulled. That is a lot. I do not save the carrot tops. The chickens are gonna love those. These are the cucumbers I picked, and then there's that romaine. And then the real issue. This is, people joke about this, right? About having too much zucchini. Well, it's not a joke. As I laugh, it's not a joke. So I have already processed so much zucchini, and I have more to go, but I think I'm going to gift a lot of people some zucchini. I missed the like National Leave Zucchini on Your Neighbor's Porch Day. I'm sad about that, but I don't think you have to wait for a national holiday to do it. Okay, got all the carrots put in a bowl, and now I'm gonna take this humongous pile of carrot tops to the chickens. And you could come along if you'd like, as I drop more than half of them on the floor. I do not have my raincoat on because evidently it didn't even work. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Okay. Oh, and it's slowed down now. The rain has slowed down. Good morning. I left the Red Bull out here last night. All right, I just saw a mouse. And there you go, guys. There's some morning carrot tops for you. He's looking at me to see if I was gonna drop more on him. All right, all of this got mowed. Looks better here. And Matt has marked the spots for where the new high tunnels will be. Okay, so we have 5 high tunnels that are going to take up this space here. They are 50 feet long, so you'll notice a little bit maybe how the land goes down, drops down a little bit over there. It'll be shorter than that, so I'm excited to get those up soon, hopefully, and get ready for next year. So thanks for joining us on this video, and we'll see you next time.